Hi guys, today I'm going to be vaccinated in KIMS Hospital. So all the Technopark employees are getting vaccination for free. So it is the benefit for the whole family. Today I'm going to get the first shot of Covishield vaccine. So I will be sharing all the details in the video. And if you are not vaccinated, register in CoWIN app or CoWIN website. It is necessary for us to get vaccinated so that we can stop this pandemic and we can go back to the old life. I don't know if we are able to get back to that life which we had before, but it will stop the spread of COVID-19. I believe so. So everyone please get vaccinated.
So I'm on my way to the hospital. So while heading towards the hospital, let's talk about vaccine and how it protects an individual against the COVID-19 virus. Different type of vaccine works in different way to offer protection. But with all type of vaccine, the body is left with the supply of memory, T lymphocyte and B lymphocyte. So it is basically called the T cells and B cells, which will remember how to fight the virus in future. So it typically takes a few weeks after vaccination for the body to produce this T cells and B cells. So therefore it is possible the person could get infected with the virus causing COVID-19 just before or just after taking the vaccination, and then get sick because the vaccine did not have enough time to provide protection. Sometimes after vaccination, the process of building immunity can cause symptoms such as fever. So these symptoms are normal and it is a sign that the body is building immunity. So my vaccination center is on the second floor. I have arrived a bit earlier than the allotted time to avoid rush. So remember to follow all the COVID-19 procedure even after getting vaccinated. So I have got the Covishield vaccination. So here I am ready to get the shot. My first Covishield vaccination. So after vaccination, they will keep us in the observation area. So you can see all the people sitting here. And finally, I have completed the observation and successfully vaccinated against the COVID-19. So after the observation, the lady in the reception has suggested me to take Dolo 650 tablet that we might have a chance of getting a mild fever or headache after the vaccination. So I have purchased one strip of Dolo, so which has cost me $30. So it is the only cost which has incurred after coming to this hospital. Rest all were free. So now I am heading back to the parking.
I have taken the first dose of COVID vaccine. So you all should be get vaccinated so that we can stop this pandemic.
I hope this video was informative. So until next time, peace out.